Welcome health enthusiasts and those who are 50 or above and looking for some relief from arthritis. Today we're going to talk about the top 7 foods to eat for arthritis relief at 50. Arthritis, as some of you may know, is a condition that causes pain and inflammation in the joints. It's a common issue for many, and its discomfort can be particularly felt by those who've hit the half-century mark. But here's the good news. Your diet can play a key role in managing the symptoms of this condition. Certain foods have properties that can reduce inflammation, improve joint health and ultimately, provide relief from arthritis. So, if you've been searching for a natural way to ease your symptoms, you're in the right place. So, are you ready to find out which foods can help you ease arthritis symptoms? Let's get started. First on our list is fatty fish, a superfood known for its omega-3 fatty acids. Now you might be wondering, what's all the fuss about these omega-3s? Well, these are essential fats that play a crucial role in our body's health. They are particularly renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe the symptoms of arthritis. Think of omega-3 as a natural, tasty painkiller, battling inflammation from within. And where can we find these marvelous fats? They're swimming in our oceans, rivers, and lakes. You'll find them in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout. Each of these fish is a rich source of these beneficial fats, ready to help you fight against arthritis. But how much of these fish should you include in your diet? Nutritionists recommend at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. That's as simple as having a grilled salmon steak for dinner on Monday, and perhaps a mackerel salad for lunch on Thursday. Each bite you take is a step toward arthritis relief. Now, not all of us are seafood enthusiasts, and that's okay. There are other ways to incorporate omega-3s into your diet. You can find them in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. But remember, fatty fish are the champions when it comes to omega-3 content. So whether you're a fan of seafood or not, there's no denying the power of omega-3 fatty acids in combating inflammation. So don't forget to add some fatty fish to your diet for those essential omega-3s. Next up are berries, small fruits packed with antioxidants. Let's take a moment to appreciate these tiny powerhouses of health. Berries, particularly blueberries and strawberries, are some of the most antioxidant-rich foods on the planet. What does this mean for you? Well, antioxidants are your body's first line of defense against inflammation, the very thing that causes those aching joints and arthritis pain. And the best part is, they're so easy to incorporate into your diet. Picture a bowl of oatmeal or yogurt, now sprinkle on a handful of vibrant fresh berries. Not only have you just supercharged your breakfast with antioxidants, but you've also added a delicious burst of natural sweetness. Or, if you're on the go, why not pack a small container of mixed berries as a snack? They're nature's version of candy after all. Adding a handful of berries to your diet could be a sweet way to fight arthritis pain. So go ahead, enjoy your berries, and give your body the relief it deserves. Third on our list is a vegetable that you might have overlooked, broccoli. This green powerhouse isn't just for your childhood dinner table, it's packed with nutrients and has a secret weapon when it comes to arthritis relief. Broccoli is rich in a compound called sulforaphane. Now what's so special about this? Well, sulforaphane has been shown to slow down the destruction of cartilage in joints. This is crucial for those dealing with osteoarthritis, a condition where the cartilage that cushions your joints wears away, causing pain and stiffness. What's more, sulforaphane doesn't just slow down the process, it can also help prevent the onset of osteoarthritis. It's like having a tiny army of protectors for your joints, all packed into one tasty vegetable. So, whether you love it steamed, roasted, or even in your morning smoothie, it might be time to make broccoli a staple in your meals. Our fourth food isn't really a food but a beverage, green tea. Now you might be asking, why green tea? Well, this unassuming drink is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties. It's packed with polyphenols, bioactive compounds that work like a charm in reducing inflammation and slowing down cartilage destruction. Imagine your joints as a battlefield. The polyphenols are like the peacekeepers, preventing your body's own forces from causing harm to your joints. And it's not just about preventing damage. Green tea can also help in the repair process, aiding in the recovery of damaged joints. So how much green tea should you drink daily? Most experts suggest 3 to 4 cups a day. That's right, just 3 to 4 cups, and you're well on your way to easing that arthritis discomfort. It's as simple as brewing a cup and sipping away. So consider replacing your regular cup of joe with a cup of green tea. Coming up next is a food that adds flavor to any dish: garlic. Garlic, a culinary staple across the globe, is not just a flavor enhancer, it's also a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for those grappling with arthritis. This small, potent bulb is brimming with a compound called diallyl disulfide that's been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Think of inflammation as a forest fire within your body. It's a necessary process for healing, but when it gets out of control, it can wreak havoc, especially on your joints. Now imagine garlic as your personal firefighter, quelling the flames of inflammation and bringing your body back to balance. Research has shown that people who regularly consume garlic experience fewer arthritis symptoms, and their overall inflammation levels are lower. It's as if garlic is a secret weapon, hidden in plain sight in your kitchen. So, don't be shy about adding that extra clove to your dishes. Garlic not only makes your food tasty but also helps keep arthritis at bay. The sixth food on our list is a perfect snack: nuts. Don't be fooled by their small size. These tiny powerhouses are packed with goodness. Among the variety of nuts, almonds and walnuts stand out for their health benefits, especially when it comes to fighting arthritis. These nuts are high in monounsaturated fats, known for their inflammation-fighting properties. This is particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with arthritis, as inflammation is a key factor in joint pain and stiffness. Almonds, with their rich almond oil content, can help to reduce inflammation and maintain heart health. Walnuts, on the other hand, are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of polyunsaturated fat that is well known for its anti-inflammatory effects. But remember, moderation is key. Even though nuts are beneficial, they are also high in calories. So stick to a handful a day. That's all you need to reap the benefits without overdoing it. Remember, a handful of nuts a day keeps the arthritis pain away. Last but not least, we have olive oil. A staple in Mediterranean cuisine, this liquid gold is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for those contending with arthritis. Olive oil, particularly the extra virgin variety, is brimming with a compound called oleocanthal. This unique compound has a striking resemblance to the workings of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, commonly known as NSAIDs. Like NSAIDs, oleocanthal works by blocking the production of pro-inflammatory enzymes in the body, thereby helping to alleviate inflammation and pain associated with arthritis. Now you might be wondering, how much olive oil should I consume? Well, researchers suggest that about 3.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil is equivalent to a 200 milligram dose of ibuprofen. But don't rush to replace your medication with olive oil just yet. It's best to incorporate it into your diet as a preventive measure and a means to manage symptoms. Use it as a salad dressing, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or even use it as a healthier alternative to butter in baking. The possibilities are endless. Remember, quality matters. So look for extra virgin olive oil that's cold-pressed and stored in a dark bottle to ensure it retains its beneficial properties. So consider switching to olive oil for your cooking needs. Not only will it add a rich, smooth flavor to your meals, but it will also serve as a natural, delicious tool in your fight against arthritis. You get to savor your food and soothe your joints at the same time. Now, isn't that a tasty win-win? And there you have it, the top 7 foods to eat for arthritis relief at 50. Let's quickly jog your memory and recap these fantastic 7. We've got fatty fish, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, a powerful tool in fighting inflammation. Then the berries, nature's sweet little antioxidants. Don't forget the broccoli, the cruciferous king of anti-inflammatory nutrients. Next up, green tea, a soothing beverage with a big punch of antioxidants. Garlic, a pungent powerhouse that goes beyond just flavoring your food. Nuts, the perfect snack loaded with healthy fats and fiber. And lastly, olive oil, liquid gold filled with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. While these foods can help manage arthritis symptoms, it's paramount to remember that a well-rounded, balanced diet is key. These foods are not a cure, but they can certainly make a difference in managing your symptoms and improving your overall health. Remember, a healthy diet is your first step towards a pain-free life. Stay healthy and keep moving.